The family owned a movie theater, as I think I mentioned. And one of my aunts, after the war, went over and talked to the Austrian government. And they gave a financial recompensation to the people, surviving people. One of the Hitler stories about this movie theater was all after some period of time, after the Anschluss, the Germans insisted that every business had to be Aryanized, which had to be, it had to have a boss who was Aryan. And one of my mother's sisters had married a Gentile, and he was so Uncle Gustav, that I had called him after it, he was so eager to be the Aryanizer, which to me was both evil and stupid, because it was nothing to sell your soul for, this movie theater, really. But he was very unpopular in the family once we realized, and he did Aryanize the thing. And I guess it happened with every business. Somebody was appointed to run it. And yeah, I mean, the Nazi philosophy, I'm sure you've heard this many times, was all Jewish property really belongs to the Reich. And so you can go in there and clean it out, and I don't know how much you have to give to other Nazi officials, but the Jews just had no property rights. It's an abolishing of any law in a way that I don't know particularly other stories, but there must be elsewhere in the world such stories.